2 of my Whole30, and I am quite tired this morning. I know it probably has a lot to do with just my myasthenia. I usually feel tired all the time, especially when it's warm outside. So this morning I'm feeling quite tired, and I'm feeling really nauseous, which is normal for me in the mornings because I take medications throughout the night. Usually when I wake up, my stomach is a little upset. So this morning it's the same thing. My stomach kind of hurts and I feel kind of nauseous, but with being on a Whole30, I don't want to skip any meals because I don't want to run the risk of overeating or, you know, getting pretty much hungry and just making bad decisions. So I'm going to eat something just to hold me over, just so I can take my medications. And you know, it's around almost 7 o'clock in the morning, so it's still really early for me. But I know I have to go get a root canal today, so I'm just gonna have, like right now, I have some eggs boiling, and I'm gonna have some tea, some peppermint tea and a banana for now. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna have for breakfast. I'll have like an early lunch. I'll try to eat something as soon as I get from the dentist. It's just a root canal, so after the root canal, pretty much once my mouth is not numb anymore, I'm able to eat whatever I want. So I'll just eat something immediately after the root canal. But for now, this is all I'm having because I'm not feeling that well. Feeling kind of nauseous, so. All right, check back in later. Hi, so first let me say excuse me for the background noise. I went to the dentist and I had a root canal, and my mouth was still really numb. But I'm really hungry, and now I have to figure out what I can eat. My mouth is numb, so what I'm going to do is, I have my chicken here from yesterday. This is really, really tiny. Hopefully it won't require a whole lot of chewing. This looks like a lot of chicken. I'm probably not going to eat all of it. It just looks like a lot of chicken because I cut it up a lot. And the chicken was really dry. It was from Whole Foods, and it was just really dry and bland. So I picked this up from Whole Foods yesterday. This like vegetable broth. And I poured it over the chicken. And I'm going to eat this with some guacamole, because I know guacamole is soft, so I have my protein and my fat. So hopefully that'll keep me satiated until my snack. So this is pretty much my meal. I'm just gonna microwave it, so that's what I'm having, chicken and guacamole. I realized that I'm going to be having dinner really soon, so I didn't want to eat too much anyway, so I'm just gonna eat what I try to eat for lunch. That's just some hot sauce that I put on top. I love hot sauce. That I tried to eat for lunch. This is my leftover broccoli from yesterday, and of course I'm kind of craving something sweet. And so I have me some cherries in there. I love cherries. And it's cherry season. I'm so excited about that. So yeah, this is what I'm having for, I guess, pre-dinner meal, or my late lunch that I didn't get to finish meal. That's just leftover guacamole. I only ate that bit of guacamole for lunch because that's all I could eat. All right, so this is my lunch. I'll check back with you later. So it's dinner time, and I'm going to make my beef that I unthawed yesterday. I just left it in the refrigerator. It's not organic or anything, but it's 85% lean fat. This is the best that I can find. I actually got this from Pathmark, and I had it in my fridge already, so I didn't want it to go to waste. So I'm going to season it with some oregano, some Italian medley, crushed peppers. I love pepper. Regular black pepper, some garlic powder, some sea salt, and I'm going to put it in some garlic marinara pasta sauce. I don't have that much left, so if this doesn't fill up all of this, then I'm going to go ahead and just throw in some diced